Hello everyone, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 6 Pro, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, enroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Now find and select wallpaper and style and click on browse my wallpapers. So here you can select the album from which you want to select your display. So just pick something that you wish to apply. You can use your own photos if you want, but let me choose some graphical picture from the default one. Here you've got the display. I'm quite not sure which one to set, but let me pick, for example, this one. Tap on preview to see it on full screen and then click on done. So if you want to apply it, this is all you have to do, and as you can see from now on, this brand new picture is covering both your home and lock screens. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.